Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to set up a proxy in the WebHarvy program. Let's get started. Launch the program and locate Settings at the top. In the opened window, go to the Proxy Settings tab. Activate Enable Network Connection via Proxy Server. Choose the protocol type on the right. Below, you'll find active fields to enter your proxy's IP and port. Fill in this information. If you have a personal proxy with a username and password, activate Requires Authentication. The fields to set a username and password will appear below. Enter the required details. To add proxies to the list, click on the plus icon on the right. Once added, the specified proxy will appear in the list. You can set one proxy at a time or import a list of proxies. If you have multiple proxies, you can select the rotation interval below. After configuring the proxy and selecting all the parameters, click on Apply. That's it. Now you can work in WebHarvy using the configured proxy. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.